Nice, got him. You just gotta punch him real hard. Use their butt like a bongo drum. Back shots sound like bongos. It's been a decade since launching and still in alpha. They'll get there one day and it'll be one hell of a game.
Oh no.
Almost concierge. Is that like a title? Whoa, what the heck is that? Is there a campfire? It says there's a campfire here.
Huh?
Oh, there's a little...
Huh?
I owed him up.
Yeah, shoot him in his face. Got him. Wait, there's people here. Oh, there's a light. There's people with faces and arms and legs. Fingers, probably.
I lost her.
How do you lose a woman? You forget to cherish her. Running into my face and smacking me. Alright, we got him. My berries, please. I need them. I need to eat my berries.
Huh?
Look, I'll admit, that was a very cute idea. Okay, well, I did deserve that. Look, I got a little bit too scared. Not people. Faces. I know, that's the worst when they have faces. Deeply concerning. Oh, there's Judy.